A heavy-duty utility sink in or near the pantry solves muddy gear and oversized bakeware clutter without interrupting main kitchen workflow. Install a deep stainless steel or solid composite sink at a comfortable working height of 36 inches or customize to match user reach to minimize bending strain. Choose a sink depth of 10 to 14 inches and a bowl width of at least 24 inches so you can submerge large roasting pans and wash boots easily. Add a commercial-style pull-down or pull-out hose sprayer with a swivel arm and a dual spray head to handle stubborn debris and rinsing in corners. Pick one with ceramic cartridges for longevity. Include an integrated drainboard or a removable slotted insert to air-dry heavy items and protect counters from water runoff. Plan under sink and adjacent storage for cleaning liquids, brushes, and boot trays, using pull-out trays or removable bins for quick access and easy cleaning. Connect the sink to an easy-access waste disposal with a trap that is reachable without cutting cabinets apart, and slope the drain lines slightly to avoid standing water and odors. Common mistakes include choosing a sink that is too shallow, which forces repeated bending and splashing. Fix this by selecting a deeper bowl and positioning it at an ergonomic height. Another issue is poor water control from a basic faucet, causing inefficient rinsing and mess. Upgrade to a hose sprayer with good flow and check valve protection to prevent leaks. People also forget storage and drying space, which creates clutter around the sink. Solve that with an integrated drainboard, wall-mounted racks, and labeled bins on pull-out slides so everything stays organized and accessible. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like this so we can make planning and hiring easier. Our site helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find work. And we also host an active discussion community where users share tips, photos, and recommendations.